In this video, we're talking about Piggycell token, reject or scam. Friends, before investing on this token, do your own research. This is a future of mobile energy verified charge at a time. Looks like app, guys. You can use this app, this one launched app. You can download this app. You can use this app, and you can just connect your wallet here. Click connect wallet. You can connect with X or Facebook or Google, and then you can use this is a real wallet charging of the blockchain. You have open a dashboard, and then you can use to verify record device uptime and all location. You have bridge asset. You can also, guys, check the transaction total here to get idea. You have almost 32 million of transaction. You can see the number is increased every second. You have a lot of things you can see here. You have a real world asset for mobile power. You can use this is a charge to earn. You can dominate to earn. You can engage to earn. Invested and tested by all these popular platforms like Metalpol, like Sky, like GB Financial Group and Investment Foundation and Ventures and Galaxy. So guys, this is the website. The price is $1.9, all-time high $2.32. This token listed on popular exchange like Binance, KuCoin, BankX, Binance Alpha, and total supply 100 million of this token, max supply 100 million of Piggy token. The bullish is 90%. I see some engaging this code inside. So guys, this is all information. You have a contract address on Trust Wallet, MetaMask. I see a lot of transaction here, a huge volume with the huge volume here. This is the all information about contract address. So guys, in this section of engaging here, this is also good and statement. The distribution of this token to holders is 5,000 member with $13 million of market cap. Top 10 holders is 90%, with the top holders is 14 million of this token. So guys, before take any action, do your own research. I give this token 7 on 10.